Hello gardening friend, I showed you my trellises about a month and a half ago and they were pretty bare. So now let's look at the trellises and you'll see how full they are. Hold on tight, it's gonna be a whirlwind tour. Let's go. Okay, here's my wall of tomatoes. Have the strings going horizontal on here and I just pushed the tomatoes up in between the strings and they are doing great. I haven't even tied them to the strings at all this year. Look at that. I'm gonna have to eat that one. Maybe not that one, because I have to wash that one. I'll eat one of these. There we go. All right. How you doing this morning, puppy? She just pulled one of my mulberries out of the ground. I'm not happy about that. Okay, here's my TP trellis that I had beans on. Oh, there's something else to eat in the morning. Yum. And I also have some cucumbers on there. There's a cucumber growing back there. Been harvesting some cucumbers and beans. Here is my dog kennel trellis. It is doing amazing. It also has a lot of beans on it. These pole beans are just getting started with their blooms and they're filling that trellis up. You can't even see the trellis. Here is a wire mesh trellis that I have my Everglades tomatoes on. Whole way to the top of that. That's probably 8 feet. That's some more breakfast for sure. Here is my cucumber trellis. Oh yeah, look at those cucumbers. That one is ready to pick. I like to pick them when they're nice and tender, like this. More breakfast. Look at that one. Nice. Got to pick your cucumbers. Check them every day, because if they get too big, they'll get bitter. Plus, the plant will stop producing. Just a little tidbit for you on our trellis tour this morning. Great. So this is the one that I have chicken wire on. That's what my cucumbers are going up. Cucumbers don't last that long, so I actually have some more cucumbers started back here on this cattle panel trellis. On the other side of the cattle panel trellis is a hardy kiwi. So those are doing great too. Hey girl. Here are some tomatoes growing up in a wire mesh that I put into a circle. Here's a cattle panel with watermelons. Yay. There's my biggest watermelon, one that's gonna be ready the soonest. And it still has some little ones on here too. But they're really loving the trellis. And I'm probably gonna put a support on for that watermelon so that I can let it ripen up fully and until it's ready to drop off the vine, because I don't want it to drop down on the ground and crack open. So let me know in the comments below how your trellises are doing. And here is the video I did when my trellises were empty. Take a look at it.